Stuck with an uncollectible invoice messing up your books? Write it off in under a minute in Zoho Books. I'll show you exactly where to click. Open the invoice, record payment, choose Write Off, and confirm. Open Zoho Books in your browser. Click Sales from the left sidebar. Click Invoices to see all invoices. Find INV 000007 and click to open it. Click the Record Payment button. In the payment window, you'll see a Write Off button. Go ahead and click that. A dialog will appear. Type in the reason for writing off the balance. Then, click the Write Off button again to confirm. Verify the invoice now shows as written off. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.